Hello, all. My name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist towards Microsoft Excel, today I am going to show you some of the operations in Microsoft Excel. So, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please just subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So, let's get into this. So, now let's see how to find the number of characters in MS Excel file. So this is the Excel file, guys. Like here you can see a column called company name, and here you can see a different names or different company names which are present in that particular column. So here we can find the names till the 25th row. Okay, so now suppose if you want to find the number of characters present in this particular cell or particular cell number 2 or cell number 3 or any number or any cell. So if we want to find the number of characters, suppose whenever we want to find the number of characters and counting number of characters in that particular cell, character by character, is really a time consuming. Here I want to show you one of the simple method where you can find the number of characters present in that particular cell. Suppose if you want to find the number of characters present in this particular cell number 2, now you have to press equal to len, open bracket, select that particular cell and close that particular cell. Now press enter. So now you can see 17 number of characters are present in this particular cell, including spaces and all the special characters. So now we have found the number of characters present in this cell number 2 or row number 2. So now let's see what are the number of characters present in row number 25. So we have already found for the row number 2. So take your mouse cursor to this particular point and drag till the number of rows where you want to find the number of characters in that particular cell. So now you can see the number of characters which are present in this particular row or a particular cell. I hope you like this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you in the next video and see you another. Thank you. Bye bye.